Yeah, I believe we need to start off with kindergarten because this is the time where they have so much ideas. This is where the time they learn so much, right? Like sponges. And I believe if we start with kindergarten with career path learning, it gives them a sense of purpose of why they're coming to school, especially when we know in a small community like Cuba, as much as possible, we want to produce our professionals organically because that's how we can keep long-term professionals in our community, right? So I think if we start with kinder and helping them, okay, these are the blueprints, these are the paths for you to discover what you want to be, to contribute to this community, then we're off to a great start, right? And it's very important. And yeah, I think defined learning really makes sense, especially with this age group, because this is the time when they're discovering and learning so many things, and learning their purpose, why they're coming to school is a very, very important reason why we have to do defined learning.